I am feeling so fall inspired for Thanksgiving. It's great. Happy Thanksgiving. Hello, everybody. Today, I thought it would be fun to do a Thanksgiving inspired look with my new Too Faced palette I love so much. The Too Faced Life's a Festival Peace, Love, and Unicorns palette. Today, I am wanting to do their Desert Vibes. The Desert Vibes. Let's see here. Let me find it. Bam. Desert Vibes. So cute. So this time of year. Very fall inspired. I'm hoping it looks good on me. Let's just see what happens. So, sweep Desert Vibes into crease and blend into outer corner of lid. Blend into outer corner of lid. Desert Vibes is this one right here. Ooh, it's matte. That's nice. It's a nice matte finish. So, we're starting, as they say, in the crease. So I like to get my angle brush for that. I'll show you what's going on there. So I'm going to start on my crease and fan out. As you all know, I do not like to put dark colors from here to here inside of my eye. Very rarely. So I'm starting in my crease and fanning out from here over. Reapplying my Desert Vibes. I just love this pigment. I hope you all have a good Thanksgiving. My YouTube channel is kind of taking off. I went to bed with 14 views and then I woke up with like 34. So I thought that was pretty cool. That means somebody's watching me out there. I got 2 new subscribers, so thank you for that. Please like and share and subscribe for all my tips and tricks, reviews. I have a lot going on right now at the shop. We have some Black Friday specials coming up that you guys should all come check out. We literally have 6 Christmas trees in the shop with all these cute ornaments everywhere, and there's boudoir specials and hair extension specials, natural beaded extensions. There's colors, vivid specials. Got some really cute makeup on sale right now. Okay, so I went in with my Desert Vibes. It's very pumpkin-y, eh? Into crease, blend into outer corner of lid. Outer corner of lid means this little corner right here that I make this corner. Bam. Bang, bang. Okay, so, and then get into Sunset Dreams. Blend into inner and outer corner of lid. Inner and outer corner. Oh, we're going Sunset Dreams all over is what they're saying here. Okay. Let me clean my brush off a little. Sunset Dreams is this color right up here. I'm into it. It's a little more shimmery than the Desert Vibes. The Desert Vibes gave us this nice matte color. So now let's do, so inner corner. Oh, man. Okay. Even this is too dark of a color for me, Too Faced, but let's see if I like it. This pumpkin eye. Thanksgiving inspired. And all the way to outer corner. I don't hate it. It really pops the color of my blue. On the color wheel, if you look, what makes blue eyes stand out is a brown. And sometimes a purple color, which I dyed my hair yesterday. Added some more purple. I'm going to show you guys. We're going to take that out in a minute too. Right now though, I'm going to go from my inner corner to my outer corner with my Sunset Dreams. And it is pretty fitting for this time of year in Astoria right now. It is dreamy. The sunsets around here right now are so dreamy. Everything is just looking gorgeous. So hopefully this eye just adds to my fall obsessions. So I did that. Sunset Dreams. Press Fun in the Sun into center of lid. Okay. Clean your brush off, of course. Fun in the Sun. It's a lot like Fireflies, but a little bit more yellow based. This is Fun in the Sun. And then this is Fireflies that we used last time for the Unicorn Queen look. But this one is Fun in the Sun, so let's try it. Okay. It's good to be a man these days. Oh! Into center of lid. Don't have no conscience about my evil ways. I don't ever feel bad for these awful things I say. Oh, so cute, you guys. It's good to be a man these days. So now I'm taking my Fireflies and I'm going into my center here. I might have went a little crazy on the outside. I don't know. I love it though. So sweet. Show you what I did here, guys. I'm creating this center splash here. A lot of people are calling it your halo light. This is Fun in the Sun. I like it a lot. So that's all the instructions that Too Faced gives you to do the Desert Vibes look that I think inspires me for Thanksgiving. So I'm going to do a little bit different. I'm going to add a little bit to mine for a little bit more definition. I've been waiting to bust into the Beamin', so I love it. It's really yellow based, and I love yellow based highlighters. It was love at first sight. So I'm just going to add this into my inner corner to give a little bit of a bigger eye. And I'm also going to add it to my upper brow bone, or my lower brow bone, to lift. See the lift it just gives? It just gives this lift. Get a little heavier on this side. This one just lifts it right on up. Moves your eye up. I even like to put a little bit above my brow. Love it. Doing it to the other side. Not going back now. Smudge it in the inner crease. Lower brow bone. A little bit on the top. I had already highlighted there with the Smashbox Studio Finish highlighter because it's just like my everyday. I can't leave the house without it. Gorge. I'm also going to add Beamin' a little bit to my bottom. Okay, maybe a lot of it. I just whammoed, and I love it. So I'm going to do it to the other side. It's also popping my blue eyes. The yellow and the blue and the brown are all coming together for this great fall inspired look. I'm going to add a little bit of the Sunset Dreams to the bottom here to finish it in. Make sure my points are good. Blend out. I like to pat a little bit and blend. I don't like to like totally get it off because I don't want to go back through again. So what do you think? Super adorable. I'm going to go in with my Lancome. It is a black coffee pencil liner. I really enjoy it. This time I'm going in my inner crease. It's something different for me, but I really think it adds to this look. Cozy fall, sit by the campfire and play games with friends kind of look. So the Too Faced palette is not just for your festivals. You can do every day. You can do, you know, a nice dinner party. I like to follow Too Faced instructions, but it's okay if I don't. They're not going to get mad at me. All right. So adorable. I think the brown on my waterline pops my eye a little bit more. Nothing to add a little definition and smudgery. Smudgery is not really a word, but... smudge it in. Okay. I think that's a sufficient amount of smudge. Great. I'm going to do the other eye, add some mascara, and I will be right back. Guys, we're back. I added a fall-inspired lip, which was this liquid suede catsuit I picked up over the Halloween season. Super great liquid catsuit in Goth Topic. I love it. It looks great with my Too Faced eye. I let my hair down. I'm going to let the other side down for you guys right now. Let's recap what I used for this look today. Today I had the Too Faced Life's a Festival palette. Peace, Love, and Unicorns. I did not use it for a festival. I will be going to my boyfriend's parents' house for Thanksgiving, and I'm gonna look dang good doing it. So I did the Desert Eye, my version of it anyways. I think it looks really good. And what else did I use? I also used a Lancome pencil in dark coffee, so to line my lower lash line. I used Beamin' from the Life's a Festival Too Faced palette as my highlighter in my inner corners and my cheekbones. All in all, I would say this look is a total hit, so I'm super excited about it. My extensions are looking poppin' with this Dutch braid my salon manager did on me last night after we colored my hair purple. I think I'm feeling ready for this Thanksgiving, and I hope you guys are all too. So I'll be right back with my final look.